Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how microwaving grapes creates plasma. Check this out. All we're using for this demonstration is a watch glass grape, knife, and a microwave. Begin by cutting your grape right down the center, almost in half, but allow just a little bit of skin so that when you open the grape, it can sit side by side with just a little bit of skin connecting, so it looks like this. Next, set the watch glass with your grapes in the center of your microwave. Set your microwave for a few seconds and see what happens. So if you're like me, you're probably wondering, why am I seeing plasma between these grapes and my microwave? Well, what we found is most microwaves operate with a frequency of around 2.45 gigahertz, and that causes a microwave length of about 12 centimeters. But that's through the air in the microwave. When that wave hits the grape, it travels about 10 times slower, causing the wavelength to be around 1.2 centimeters, which incidentally is about the size of a grape. And what happens is, because of the high refractive index of the grape and its size, those wavelengths get trapped inside the grape. And so the grape acts like a little resonator, and those wavelengths bounce back and forth inside the grape, kind of like total internal reflection. Now, if you get two grapes that are side by side and they're touching each other, so the distance is less than 1.2 centimeters, less than the wavelength that's traveling through the center of the grape, then what happens is the oscillation, and the greatest electromagnetic oscillation, occurs at that contact point. And that's where you see the plasma. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.